In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate 1688 app completely to English on smartphone. So, if you open up the 1688 app here on your smartphone, you will see that most of it will be in Chinese or other Asian language. So, actually there is no like an official way, like a built-in translator within the app where you can simply translate it. So, the app doesn't have those built-in function yet, unfortunately. But what we can do is there are either way you can do two ways how you can deal with this. First, what you can do, you can either like take a screenshot of this screen or the whichever screen that you want in English. So just like take a screenshot of it. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of it, and once you've taken a screenshot of it, you can use any translator apps or online translators, or even like your AI tools, like ChatGPT or any other AI tools. And then in this option, in this video, I'm going to use like a translator online. It's a translator app, so I can simply translate the photo. Okay, so I'm going to just simply select the photo that I just screenshotted. Okay, so select that, and then I'm going to like try to translate that. So select the photo, and then so if you can see, there you go. So it has been instantly translated for me. Likewise, you can use any other translator apps or even like AI tools to translate the screenshots. So this is one way of doing it. Alternatively, what you can do is you can simply open up 1688, the browser version on your Chrome. Okay, so you can just open up the browser version on your Chrome. So once you're on your Chrome here, what you can do, click on the three dots on your top right, and then here you have this translate option. They tap on the translate option, and this will try to translate it to English. As you can see, it's been translated to English. So in that way you can also use it. This is just an alternative way of using it. So that's basically pretty much it is.